Marlon Ford. I used to listen for hours as my folks talked to me. Believe in every reassurance. Boy, you can be anything you want to be. Yeah, they used to talk to us all, and we all took it to heart. There ain't nothing that one can't do as long as you don't forget God. It seems we had so many adversities, so many battles had to be won. We used to all sing with conviction, we shall overcome. And when we heard of others' misfortunes, it seemed that all would cry. Then one of the wise ones would say, what don't kill you makes you stronger inside. Yeah, our adversities made us stronger. And we were all on one accord, never forgetting our struggle, always giving thanks to our Lord, thanking Him for much and for little, within ourselves being content. See, teaching the young ones and raising them right, that's how our folks' time was spent. Now here we are today, thinking we've overcome, with so many daughters walking the streets, so many dying sons. With no more battles to fight, our Bibles sit on our shelves, and with no character to bring us to the enemy we fight, ourselves.
That was deep, man. That was deep. That was deep. I had to get it. That was live, family. Can't get it no better when it comes from the heart.